Hello everyone, it is your girl Juliana, aka Life is Juliana, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you another cheap, affordable, and on an extreme budget tablescape idea. So if you're here watching me doing this Tablescape for your very first time and you have not already subscribed, go ahead and do so, and then turn on your post notification settings so you will always be reminded whenever I upload a brand new video. So without going any further, let's get right into the video, shall okay, yeah, this is what I wanted to do. Now, for the centerpiece for this particular tablescape, I wanted to use a clear vase. So I went for this one, and then the flowers that I decided to use were some flowers that I had bought from Walmart. Okay, and it really looked good. It blended in really well with the other color scheme, right? But it was still a little bit blank. So what I decided to do was to get this mirror that I bought in the Dollar Tree, and then I placed the vase on top of that, and it really made it look way better. Well, in my opinion, since I had the napkins black, and as you could see, the plates were black, so it blended in really well. And then because it's a clear vase, it blended in really well with the wine glass and the teacups. That was really, really pretty. I really liked the way this look was. So this is something that you could definitely go for. And as like I said, cheap and affordable and on a budget. And that most of the items here are from Goodwill. Those plates that you're seeing right here are from Goodwill, and I will be doing a couple of Tablescape using these particular plates, so look out for them. They are coming. It looks really nice. I really love this look right here, but I wanted to kick it up another notch because I really love the color of the napkins. The napkin rings, those are from what do you call it, the beauty supply store. I buy those little things all the time. It's just a bracelet for your hand. You can always find them in the beauty supply store. But this is what I decided to do. I removed that centerpiece because I have another vase that I use in another Tablescape setup. This is the one right here. I just place this instead of the clear vase, and then I kind of add some of the other colors, that burgundy red, to the white, because already in this vase I had some white and black to it, so I just went ahead and added just a pop of color to it, so all the color scheme would be in the vase, right? And I really love this vase. I used this vase a couple of times already. You've probably seen it in a prior Tablescape setup, but it is so nice. I bought the vase at, was a clear silver vase, and I bought it in Goodwill, and I took it home and just did my thing to it, put some glitter on it, and I had a beautiful vase. And I must say, I was really feeling this particular vase for this setup looks so good, and it blended in perfectly with the napkins. Now the wine glass and the teacups are from the Dollar Tree, and I think they come in a set of 4, but they're very, very unique. I love them. Only for $1, right? And then what else? The knife and fork and stuff, those are also from the Dollar Tree. So many beautiful things you could find at the Dollar Tree. But yeah, very cheap and affordable, and on a extreme budget. That is it, y'all, and I hope you like it. So that's it, y'all, and I do hope you enjoyed this Tablescape setup as much as I enjoyed doing it. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up on your way out. Share the love with friends and family. And I guess I will be seeing you in my next video show.